For those of you who have been familiar with learning choreographies and sequences and memorizing it, you might want to consider a different approach. Instead of sequences and steps, you get to know the material or resources that the maestro gives to you, and having that material, you then seeing how to kind of extract it or deconstruct it and rehearse it so that you can internalize it. And that's the way you can then respond to a song. We're going to be practicing lots and lots of times with our own singer and guitarist. It's going to be experimental for you too. I think there's nothing more exciting to be in that moment. You kind of calling it up, calling what you would have practiced earlier, and responding to a situation where the singer may be singing you different versions of the same song or different songs of the same style. To me, one of the most exciting and important part of the program really is this, learning to work with live music, because in our own countries outside of Spain, you may not have the opportunity to do so. So this is the time to aprovechar, which is to take advantage. Who do I have on my team here for our workshop? I have Inma Rivero, who is a fantastic singer. I've just seen her in action here right now I'm in Jerez, and she's singing for the flamenco competition here. And I've seen how she supported all the performers from the very basic level to the figuras, those people who have a lot more experience, and her energy, her giving all out is there all the time with so much expression, so much experience to accompany. So even if we're not at, let's say, that really high level of people who are already professionals, just know that you have a very professional singer and guitarist, Javier Ibanez, who will be accompanying you with the experience. I think that really matters. Flamenco is a dialogue, a continuous communication. So that's what we're having to be training up and practicing all the time. All right, it's not about choreography. It's about just having your material, your resources, internalizing it, knowing when to call it up, and having that many chance to practice it with a very experienced team who do know how to accompany, okay?